how to disconnect my Google account from Royal Match. Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll be learning how you can disconnect your Google account from Royal Match. The first step is to launch your Royal Match account just like I have done here. And then once you've done that, move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your gear icon and just click on it. Then once you've done that, on the settings page, you'll see a number of options like music, sound, ins, notification, support, save your progress. So just click on save your progress and then go ahead and click on sign in with Google. Now, after clicking on sign in with Google, since your Google account is already connected to your Royal Match, you would see the option sign out on the signing in page. All right, so just tap on it. After tapping on sign out, that particular Google account would be disconnected or untoggled from your Royal Match account. As easy as that. So just go ahead, find your way to this particular page. Click on save your progress. Click on sign in with Google account. On the page, click on sign out, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.